Welcome to this video. I'll show you how to fix error code VAL 403 in Valorant. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, go ahead and go to the search bar and type down CMD, click on run as administrator. There will be a pop-up, just click on yes. Down here, just type down sc delete VGC, just like so. Then hit on enter. Now type down sc delete VGK. Hit on enter. Wait for the process to finish, and once done, just close this one. Now right click on your start menu, click on installed apps. Once it's open, just go ahead and find Riot Vanguard, click on three dots, hit on uninstall, uninstall. There'll be a pop-up, just click on yes, and then here just click on yes as well. Wait for the process to finish. It may take some time until it disappears in the list. As you can see here, it's gone. So close this one and go ahead and open up Riot Client. And instead of play, okay, when you go ahead and click on Valorant, it will ask you to update. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in right here just for you to see. All right, as you can see here, when we click on Valorant, it will now say update. So just click on update, wait for the process to finish, of course. And after that, it will ask you to restart your computer. Well, just go ahead and restart your computer, and once done, you should be good to go. And that is how you fix error code VAL 403 in Valorant. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.